All right, this is the first test of this cleaning car. I got bricks on it right now to help weight it down so it doesn't fly off the track. So we'll see. There, the wheel's running. Let's just turn this on. See what happens. Looks like it's working. I didn't clean any sticks off the track, so we're probably going to see a massive accident. That's what I predict. But we'll see. Well, it cleaned the track pretty good, pretty quickly. I'm not 100% sure I'm going to go this way. This was just the first attempt, but it seemed to work. I don't know if I want to scratch the track up in the points, the plastic turnouts. We'll see. Didn't look like it did any real damage, but I guess it could over time. I really think that this is going to be for like a once-a-year cleaning with the wet sandpaper, just to make sure you get all the heavy stuff off, the gunk and the bird crap and everything. WD-40 on the wheels for the first couple laps seems to do the best, just to get the crap off. But it worked. May have worked a little too good.